Now, let's talk about naman sa food. Ano nga bang kinakain namin mga bodybuilder para mag-gain kami ng muscle? There are 4 categories: protein, carbohydrates, micro, and then hydration. First, protein. Ang number one source of protein natin is eggs. Kasi budget meal siya. And it depends on size, like small, medium, large, extra large. 5, 6, 7, 8 ang maibigay niyang protein. And then, chicken, we prefer chicken breast kasi mababa ang calories and then taas ang protein niya. Kasi 100 grams of chicken breast is 30 grams of protein. And then, fish, any fish naman. Pero example na natin is tilapia. Ang 100 grams of tilapia is 26 grams of protein. And then, tokwa. Ang 100 grams of tokwa is around 8 grams of protein. And then, doon naman tayo sa carbohydrates. Ang pinaka number 1 natin dyan is rice, and then sweet potato, bread, and then oats. Marami pa naman ibang source of protein and then carbs. Pero yun ang pinakang budget meal or talagang afford ko, ganyan. And then micro, ito yung makukuha natin to sa vegetable, fruits, and then vitamins, parang ganun. And then hydration. Importante ito sa ating katawan kasi kailangan natin to para hindi tayo magka-cramp and then hindi ma-fatigue yung katawan natin. And that's all. Good luck.